we've talked about it all day, Vince. That tricky turn two. You miss your line just a little bit, and the thing will hop around on you.
Yeah, some of the crew chiefs told me that if their driver missed the line by 3 inches, they would lose 0.3 of a second. And obviously, if you miss it by more than that, this could be the result. So pretty hard contact with the outside and the inside wall for Gus Dean.
Yeah, it's a disappointing finish for Dean. Has had some good runs.
Straightaways and catch up. Oh no!
That's the 45 of Kyle Benjamin. Heavy damage to the rear end.
Another victim of turns 1 and 2. It looks like he was running in the 16th spot.
Maybe gaining some confidence, and then he just gets too loose on exit and off of turn 4 this time into the outside wall.
Yeah, I thought it was down in 1 and 2, but he limped around through 1 and 2 here. Well, he actually did hit the wall in 1 and 2.
2 of Tyler Dipple comes up alongside. Oh, and there's a hard hit by the 44 of Angela Ruck. And the caution is out again for the 4th time.
Turn 2, Phil.
Yeah, again.
Orange tailgate. Gets up out of the groove a little bit, but not much before the back end came out.
Phil, you said miss your line by 3 feet, you lose 0.3 of a second. Well, in this case, it looked like she just missed the line by that much and lost a truck out of the deal.
Yeah, just got a little bit loose. She caught it the first time, and then it went around.
Wide now with Ross Chastain on the bottom. Enfinger was in the middle. Crafton has dipped back, and here comes Johnny Sauter. He's going to win stage 1 at Texas.
What a great battle to the end of this stage. Johnny Sauter.
Oh no, Sauter so down so far on the bottom we couldn't see him, and that is heavy damage to the 13, the 5-time Texas winner.
He won't win tonight, Vince.
See the 16 of Austin Hill following him. You wonder if maybe they made some contact.
The accidents happen a lot less frequently in the front.
There's a contact. We thought about it because he was following him down towards pit road. Looked like Austin Hill just got a little bit loose. Got into the left rear quarter panel of Johnny Sauter, and then nothing Johnny could do about it.
Well, that's too bad. One of the top trucks of the night here.
Yep. It didn't take a lot. Just a little bit of a bump.
Austin Hill down on the bottom. We talked about Greg Biffle we were just talking about.
Oh, and it's the 04 Corey Roper going around.
And out of the wall, caution will fly. I was talking about Biffle getting these restarts, these reps in restart action.
Outside of Houston.
On the outside. Just drives it hard in the corner in front of the 20 of Spencer Boyd. Just gets a little bit loose, just gets out from under him a little bit.
That's working the wheel, though, right there. You could see he drove that thing all the way till it finally ended up heading in the right direction. Just a great job. Nice start there. He's able to pull even a little bit ahead with Gilliland as they go down into turn 1.
Brett Moffitt is behind, and now Gilliland's going around. Can he keep it off the wall? No.
These guys not checking up behind you.
Time's out. There's Gilliland on the inside front row.
You saw him get loose and wiggle a little bit and then tried to catch it.
What about that job Brett Moffitt in the 24
Amazing.
truck does? Just staying cool under fire, knowing that if he just jerks that wheel too much, he'll spin out as well.
I mean, look, Gilliland's at the front of that pack, and no one else hits him. That's amazing.
I think maybe Austin Wayne Self probably got run into from behind by maybe Austin Hill. Maybe Austin Wayne Self just jumped out of the throttle just a little bit, but this is going to be a great view from Brett Moffitt's onboard right here.
Just not a whole lot of warning there for Todd Gilliland.
And Crafton right behind that group.
Whoa, here we go again.
Oh, and it's Ankrum.
Oh, wow. Breaker to the right.
Let off the brake.
Let off.
Back it right into his pit box like Brad Keselowski did. No,
we stay green.
Look at this, 4 wide, and one guy isn't even on the track.
Wow, Chastain for position below the white line and got 3 spots. Stage 2. And there goes Jordan Anderson around, and he's going to be able to keep it off the wall, off the outside wall, slides down inside, and hopefully everyone will avoid him. But we're coming to the green and white checkers for Ben Rhodes. Ben Rhodes, his first stage win of 2019. There, but we stayed green, and then Jordan Anderson on the final lap of the stage. This happens.
Right in front of Brett Moffitt again.
Moffitt has had an eventful evening. Oh, nearly missed there.
Wow. You don't want to go anywhere. It has been some kind of night here in Texas.
Run that Biffle had when he got down.
And there is the 0-2 now of Tyler Dipple. And again, it's turn 2.
Truck, Vince. Thought they had some.
There's your boy. Natalie Decker's around as well in the 54 truck.
Oh, and there's contact from the 14 of Trey Hutchins.
Away from him.
Did Boyd
He
maybe
made
get into the a little contact there with the 54?
Yeah, it looks like Natalie got into the inside wall there. There's Boyd spinning around from that contact. Slight contact with the outside wall, but Trey Hutchins has come along and do some pretty good damage to that right front corner.
You see that smoke? We could see through it with our cameras, but there's a chance Trey Hutchins couldn't see anything that was ahead.
At the front, Friesen and Biffle for the lead, and now Friesen is going around. That inside spot is so vulnerable. Is in repair mode.
We've seen it happen so many times. That truck on the outside just pulls the rear end of those trucks around. Greg Biffle realized that, moved up the racetrack, gave him enough room that he didn't get taken out himself, and unfortunately it's more than likely going to put it into Stuart Friesen's night.
As drivers, put us into that seat, those of us that aren't drivers and watching at home. Time winner on the 1.5-mile tracks, and Anthony Alfredo has gone around, but the green is still out. Alfredo gathers it back up and puts it back on track. It was in Phoenix in 2001, but on this one-off, it is a night to remember. Greg Biffle wins at Texas.
Great job, guys. Great job, man. Great job in the finish line. Great call. Really love you guys. That was a great job. Awesome drive, buddy. Awesome freaking drive. Great fuel cells. Great everything. Woo! Yes, good job, Jason.
Driving that 8 car as he's gone. Oh, got some
Spinner. Trouble early, a couple of vehicles involved. One is the 90 of Dylan Bassett, the 07 of Ray Black Jr. also went around. Early caution, a theme we have seen in recent years at this place. Been here, fellas.
There's the move. He dove down in the corner, thought he could make the pass early. The back end came around and ended up eventually taking out the 07.
They were scored 24th and 25th. Caution out for the first time. Paul Menard started on the pole, and he's on point.
Gonna get up here and oh, we got another one in the wall.
This is a rookie, Riley Herbst, into the wall, driving for Joe Gibbs Racing. A lot of debris, and now problems for Jeb Burton. We didn't see a caution for Herbst. Okay, now we get one.
Let's get it fired up.
Dueling issues. One for Herbst. The second portion of that was Burton, and he's got a tire
He's got to be really.
See him coming off of turn 4. This is where things first happen. There's Herbst popping the wall.
Did you get some help there?
Dylan Bassett also had
Hard to
some
tell.
issues as we saw the 90 under caution rolling around.
Looked like he might have got hit in the left rear and shot him into the wall to the right.
So he just lost it.
Let's listen in to what they were saying under caution.
2 cars screwed me. He just pulled up the hill and took the air off of me.
Yeah, that's the challenges we have, fighting for that air.
Menard hadn't been in an Xfinity car since last July, and he comes here, starts on the pole, and wins stage 1. Bell is second.
Good job bringing it home there, Adam.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Bell waited. Finally, the door opened, and he pounced. With 1 to go in the stage, he gets the top spot, and he's going to claim the green and white checkered flag for the 6th time this season.
And we got
easy. Spoke a little early on Greg Alding. Nice save, though. 5th caution of the afternoon. Joe Martins.
Oh.
Stephen Light in the 01.
42 went there on the bumper of the 01. Lost all the air. Collected the 08.
We've seen that so many times today.
Yes, we have.
54 laps remaining. Bell, Custer, Allgaier, Menard, Nemechek, your top 5.
Still there, even.
Still there, room behind.
Slider, that's Chase Briscoe.
Hold her down, lock her down.
Careful with the tires now. Yep, that's it.
That's the 99 of Tommy Joe Martins. I'd be interested to see the 22 of Cindric too, because he got hit a little bit there.
Took a little bit of damage on the left front. It's so hard to describe that feeling. You just go in there and hopefully it's going to stick. And when you're on the outside, you're just victim to it. And Chase Briscoe did everything. He did a nice job keeping out of the fence here. Unfortunately, not the outcome they wanted. Ruined their tires, flat spotted. So take it easy going back. And I've been in that situation before. It's
Another
not fun.
victory for the 5th time in the last 3 races. It's going to be the 2 car in victory lane. Tyler Reddick does it at Michigan.
Got it done.
Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. Great job, Tyler. Great job saving there. Great job, man. Great job, everybody. Really proud of y'all. This has been a hell of a year.
That's the way to steal one. I appreciate it, guys. That's a great day for us. Thank you.
Great job, fellas. Number 3 on the board there. That's awesome. Hey, we didn't steal anything. We had a car plenty capable of winning here. It just wasn't going our way at the beginning. It mattered the most here at the end, and we made it happen. Nice work.
And that's it.
Alex Bowman, a car length behind Joey Logano through 3. This time Logano goes to the bottom in 3 and 4. And by 1 car length, Joey Logano holds off Alex Bowman, Eric Jones, Al Mirola, Kurt Busch, Martin Truex. The 51 has tagged the wall. Kyle Weatherman.
Boy, he sure did.
Got a lot of parts flying
taking
here.
That P40 Flying Tiger paint scheme. He's lost his rudder and his horizontal stabilizer.
These guys, that's what I was going to say. Those guys up front are
trouble. Turn 2.
Trouble.
Boyer in the fence.
Boy, just keeps on hitting. The hits just keep on coming. Wow.
To the inside of Eric Jones, maybe. Oh man, they
made contact.
Tiny bit.
Yeah, he got into the left rear of the 20, and that got him loose. Gosh, he was lucky right there.
Boy, real close there. And he kind of got himself in a situation where as he went to the inside of the 20, all of a sudden he became 3 wide, because I believe that's the 3 of Austin Dillon. And it's almost like that car, maybe somebody said inside, and he had to move up the racetrack a little bit.
Yeah, Jones did a really nice job. Eric Jones did a great job of holding on to his car, but it just freed up the 14 so much he couldn't save it.
And so did Chris Buescher, who was right behind Boyer when that car went up and into the wall.
That's 2 hard hits. So the 14 took right here. He backs it right back into the wall.
Whoa.
Bam!
Ty Dillon just squeaked through there.
He's already high, having to get out of the throttle. Oh, it looks like he and William Byron.
A little help.
Yeah, it looked like William Byron's car started to get away from him as the 3 went up the racetrack, and then they made contact.
I don't think there's a lot of damage to that 3 car, but he's definitely going to have to come to the pits.
Oh, I see. Austin Dillon takes these guys 3 wide. Nice move by him going into turn 1. Yeah, you can hear he already started losing grip, getting out of the throttle.
Jones down in the grass after a spin.
Let's see if he gets going. With no caution yet. And the caution is out.
Yeah, that grass so wet from overnight rain.
Let the right rear go down.
And hey, Mike, you see what?
Watch your cars. There you go.
This changes everything.
Absolutely.
If your tire goes down, you got so little control over the car. You're better off with a right rear flat.
Gets down on the apron.
Yeah.
That's still just, whoa, man. That could so dangerous to go back up into the traffic on the racetrack like that. Whole team, I mean, they have done everything right today, including that last restart.
Started from the pole, got the #1 pit stall, and coming to the line, I'd say that he's probably going to take home the victory.
Joey Logano by 2 car lengths over Kurt Busch and Martin Truex.
Get that, guys. Hell yeah. Perfect job, everybody. Way to execute a race. Hell yes.
He's right, across the board.